Hi everybody, Jasmine Sandler here, CEO of Warrior Women in Business, and I am so excited to have one of our fabulous Warrior Women coaches and partners here in New York City today, planning our big events for 2026 and 2027. This is Donna Thorell, and she is one of our Warrior Women partners and coaches in Florida. She's up here because we are actively planning together. This is what we do with Warrior Women in Business. We build each other's businesses together. We're actively planning an executive branding and executive support workshop for female executives in not only New York, but also in Florida for 2026. So I want to share a little bit about, we'll share a little bit about what you can expect by attending our workshop. So both of us have been doing our respective businesses for a very long time. I've been running a premier executive branding and styling business for 21 years, work with some amazing female executives. Don, you want to share what you've been doing?
So I've been working with women who've gone through stress and trauma, and we work on the central nervous system and also time management and get them back to being successful in the businesses that they want to run.
Yes. So Donna we connected because she became a member of Warrior Women in Business. She was on the podcast. If you haven't seen that episode, please watch it. And since that, we just started working together, and we realized that our clients are synonymous, but our services completely complement the needs of our women in business clients. So now what we're doing is we're planning active workshops where women executives can come in, or if you are a seasoned women business owner, can come in, and if you're looking to build your brand, not just online, but also offline, so you want to be a speaker, a paid speaker, you want to get on paid boards, you want to move your business forward, we give you the keys to do that and the action steps and to take action within the workshop. And then Donna complements that with her work and what can they expect from your end on the workshop.
What I do is I then pick up from where you've left off, and we work on time management to reduce your stress level, because we don't want you to have to work harder. We want you to work stronger, and we want you to be able to succeed in what you're doing. So I work with time management and build a calendar out for you so that you can work with that and see what it is you have to do per day, and don't have to overdo it and work more than you need to. And I allow for time to enjoy life.
Yes.
And it's important.
Extremely important. Extremely important. And a lot of times when I'm working with my female executives, as Donna knows, because we've worked with clients together, they bring those personal issues to the table with me, and a lot of it has to do with the stress of not having time for their personal lives. And there's only so much I can do, because I'm focused on my clients to help them make more money and build a bulletproof brand. That's why they hire my company. But the other piece is critically important, because the personal and professional lives work together.
Absolutely.
So we're going to be doing that in workshops in New York City and Florida coming up in 2026. So please look out for that. If you are, we have opportunities for members, right? For discounts to come to the workshops, and non-members coming at the regular rate, either way. You'll find that out on warriorwomeninbusiness.com. And then the other things that we're working on, which we're very excited about, is we are working on signature Warrior Women events. So signature Warrior Women events really do everything that our intention is. We bring charities to the table because we are out about giving back and supporting women-based organizations or charitable efforts. We've done a lot in the health space, as you may have seen, also in the mental health space, also a lot around domestic violence in the last 4 years, especially with the New York City Mayor's Office. And we do a lot for women in arts and entertainment. So we have a charitable element, we have an education element. So we bring together female executives, major women that are amazing, kick-ass, that bring not only their insight, but they actively connect with women business owners in an intimate environment. And then we have our entertainment and our business matchmaking. So those signature events we are planning out once a quarter in the United States, and we already have our first global event happening July 16th in downtown London. So if you happen to be a London member, or you're watching the podcast, or you're learning about Warrior Women and you're from London, please find out about our event. It's going to be really exciting. It's going to be positioned around women in the arts, supporting women in the arts there, so that's really exciting. And then also we have other partner events, which I do want to mention because this is very important. So we have opportunities not just for women business owners, but also for many women that run other member organizations. We're about collaborating, not competing. So we have many partners that we work with that have their own member organizations. And if you're one of them, please contact us, because we're very open, flexible, and creative about creating win-win opportunities in conjoined events. And our members benefit because they're able to come to those events. So your network just keeps expanding. The last thing I wanted to mention in events, and Donna, please chime in on this, is we're planning a retreat in 2027, and I definitely need this. So talk a little bit about what we're planning there.
So with this retreat, we are looking at a cruise, and we're actually looking at a cruise in Europe so that we can get some cultural experience and explore, but have it be something that's elevating us, not just entertaining us.
That's right.
But it's also entertaining.
Yeah.
And with that, having little breakout sessions during the time as well to work on the branding,
and
work
the business.
on the business stuff, and also work on just time management skills, working on balancing your body and being a more productive employee, in the business.
Yeah,
So,
it's really important. And what I'm excited about the retreat is we're opening it up to not just female executives and female leaders. It's for female leaders, but it's also for women business owners. And it's really for women that I think really care about themselves. That's why they need a retreat.
yes.
And that they understand that it's not taking time away from your business. It's actually enhancing your business, because the other piece that we're going to be doing is providing guided connectivity for women who do business together on the spot, and opening them up and giving them access to cultural opportunities they wouldn't have, because Warrior Women in Business is also a partner of the Arts and Culture Network, which has 220,000 members in Europe.
And
So it's pretty amazing.
And by doing this, we're actually bringing together not just the people that are in the retreat, but when they go to any of these locations, they can connect and build themselves with more people. So you're actually having anywhere from 5 to 7 days
That's right.
of connectivity, building yourself, and making a partnership with other people.
Yeah,
So
it's
that's
gonna
the
be
important part.
it's gonna be an incredible experience. So if you're anything like me, who said I want to take my business global, well, I'm doing it. Donna's doing it, and we welcome you guys to come along, you ladies to come along. It's going to be fantastic. Lastly, I wanted to mention our concert series. So we fully support. I am a professional musician. We fully support musicians and all our other female artists. We have opportunities for performing arts at all of our signature events and many of our partner events. So if you're a female artist and that's serious about being professional, there's another member opportunity for you to come along with anything that we're doing.
That sounds fantastic.
Yeah, I'm really excited about what we're doing.
I am too.
Yeah, and it's really just one women business owner at a time.
It is.
Yeah,
And we're going to build it.
we're going to build it. And the more that we can share success stories, I think that more women will understand that they're not alone. They're not struggling. They have their sisters around them to help them in a very actionable way. So we hope to see you at our events, our workshop, and our retreat.
Yes.
And again, we'll be putting this all out on warriorwomenbusiness.com and all our social media channels. So we look forward to meeting you.